I hate it when I go to take the clean dishes out of my dishwasher and the dishwasher itself looks really gross. I don't understand why it's cleaning my dishes so well if the dishwasher is dirty. So it just freaks me out. So I like to use these active dishwasher cleaners. So I've tried these, and these are the ones that I found really clean my dishwasher the best. So let me explain how it works. There's 24 in here. The first time you've done it, you want to go ahead and grab 2 of the packs, right? So after that, you do it twice a month, and then you just use 1 of them. These are just like using your pods. So you just open it up, and it looks like just a little dissolving pod, kind of like those Finish ones versus the Cascade ones where it's like powdery. Okay, so the first time you're going to do it, let me show you my dishwasher here. You're going to open your dishwasher. You're going to put 1 at the bottom. Now, keep in mind there's a filter down here. You want to go ahead and clean that out also the first time to get all the junk food and everything out there. So throw 1 in the bottom, and then you're going to take the second one. You see what I mean? Like right here, let's see if you can see that. See how that's just like, it's gunky. And I just ran a whole load of dishes and it just looks yuck. So that means it's time for me to go ahead and do this. So then I'm gonna go and I'm gonna put the other one just where I would put the detergent most of the time, okay? Then I'm gonna come in here and you're gonna run it just as a normal wash, right? So I'm just gonna do normal, everything else is the same, start it and let it go. That's it. When it comes out, my dishwasher is gonna smell cleaner, look cleaner, and I'm gonna feel like my dishes are getting a lot more clean. So if you are finding that your dishwasher looks kind of grungy, or you're just not quite happy with how it looks, get yourself some of these. You're not gonna be disappointed. You're gonna be very happy. Go get them right now.